we are taking out a dinosaur. You ever seen a dinosaur, folks? This is what they look like. An inefficient, I mean, Stephen, what is this thing even? Is there a name brand on this thing?
Hayward H400 series. We've got a cracked manifold, and then one of the bolts, the studs broke off on the inside of the unit, so it's kind of unrepairable right now. Even if you did replace the manifold, you only got 11 bolts to hold it on. That 12th one it is going to leak.
Yeah, I mean, it looks pretty rusty and stuff down here too. Tough shape.
So a nice new efficient leader in there.
Yes, we will. Dinosaur is extinct, unfortunately, but we have a new age non-dinosaur here, the MasterTemp by Pentair. About half the size, probably half the weight.
Double the efficiency.
Double the efficiency. What else could you ask for?
Right to line, so thinking I have to just drop down and then straight over this one there. We'll find out when we get this old one out. We'll line up the new heater. Put a new whip on there so it should reach all the way around the unit. And this unit is half the size.
Nice.
So, plenty of electrical wrap around. This old conduit whip was a little crunchy, broken, so just new conduit. The wires look great. Do some heavy lifting now.
Oh! Woo! Oh yeah. Oh, there comes the road. Nope. They pour out of there. Oh, the dinosaur. Oh! Yes.
That's going to be our inlet, which is going to go to the top. Here we're probably going to 45 and 45 and 90 straight down. This one I'm probably just going to come straight across and 90 down.
Man with a plan.
I think that's the plan.
Wow, looks way better just sitting there already.
We'll worry about the plumbing afterwards. Just work on the gas line right now. So if you go shorter with this one or longer with that one, go shorter with this one. So that doesn't line up with that one. I can get that one off. Get the same size as that one. It should line up pretty well. Sediment trap. I'm just going to spin this here. All this is already going to be threaded on, and then we'll drop the union straight down. All this is going to be one piece. And we'll just spin it.
Nice.
That's the plan. It's like a puzzle, just one piece at a time.
Yeah. Do you like puzzles? Actual puzzles? You do?
Yeah, kids love them. Wife don't like them, but
Well, that's why you like this job then, maybe.
that's it.
It's just a big puzzle.
You don't want to spin the gas valve on the inside, so the minute this pipe starts rotating, I'm going to have to bite onto this one and then crank her down.
What happens if you...
You're just rotating the gas valve on the inside.
Oh.
And it just looks so tapping right there.
Gotcha. Okay.
Try to rotate this so this is straight. You know, all we got to do is loosen this union, push the heater, and
Yeah.
straighten itself out.
Oh, there you go.
I like stuff square,
Mm-hmm.
but I think that looks pretty good.
Yeah. Nice.
That was the hard part. Open the gas line, wait a few minutes, see if you smell any gas. Give it a few. In the meantime, we're going to take this panel off,
Okay.
run our electrical around it. Rock and roll, baby.
Very nice.
See how our plumbing lined up? There's still a little bit of play. I need this inlet just to be straight with this one. I'm not worried about this one because I can always 90 and 90 or 245s and then 90 down. I just would like to come straight across like that.
Mm-hmm.
That's going to be beautiful.
You can have a nice warm toasty pool in no time. So without automation, pretty simple.
Pretty simple, you know, one black, one red to each one of these, and then your green. If you were doing automation, there's the fireman switch on the inside of here. You would basically just pigtail it with the communication cable and wire it up into the Easy Touch, and there's a 2-pin labeled heater, and basically the homeowner would be able to control it via, you know, the app or automation. 120 plug. I actually wired that last one 120 volts, so I had to disconnect the 240 plug, put it in the 120. It still wires up identical, but you got to switch the plug.
So all you had to do in there was just make sure that the 240 plug was
Yeah,
right?
that's how they come from the manufacturer, but I always like to double check.
Make sure, yeah. I
And
mean,
on the other side, I got to turn on the gas, which I think I already did. There's a gas valve on the opposite side.
okay,
I'm just going to make sure that's on.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure I turned it on when I was building these gas lines.
gotcha.
So you could always run the conduit underneath the heater, hide it, but if it ever leaks, then it's just going to saturate that whip. So I like to keep it above. Liquid tight and prevent the conduit from pulling out.
Just hand tight?
Yeah. You don't smell gas, do you? So I think we're good.
I mean, unless you farted. No?
That sounds like a steak last night, man.
Sounds very steak. Oh, man. Sounds good.
Basically, we want this pipe flush with right here, because then all we got to do is glue 90 down. So looks like we're going to cut just before that right there. Perfect. That's water coming out of the filter into the heater. We want to do the top one. So we glue this into the union. And then we will cut the pipe down here. And we'll go out at 90 next. Glue our 90 onto here, we'll disconnect this, and we'll drop the 90 down and then thread it in. And that's going to be the easiest. We're just going straight 45 to 90.
Ooh.
I should be able to rotate it once I put it in.
With these unions, it's always like a good hand tight. You never
Yeah.
pipe wrench.
Yeah, no.
No, it'll pop, break something.
I mean, if there's a slow leak, you can pull it apart, lubricate that O-ring, but
Yeah.
they tend to crack here. Just over tighten them.
Don't over tighten them.
Thank you, sir. Should be able to just drop her in. So I like to use the 2-inch as the kind of a template. My glue, I want the 2-inch lined up with that line. They don't know I'm perfectly straight. Get a little cleaned up and then we'll run it.
Yeah.
Pressure test it.
The animal comes alive.
Yeah.
The beast. Another MasterTemp installed. Operating correctly. Heating. And that's how it's done, folks. Aqua Pool Supply and Steven, the pool tech guru. We out. Pew.